Hello everyone, this is the last video on IDC set theory. In this video we'll discuss how to compute the elements of a set. So we know what is cardinality. Cardinality, so it is the number of elements. Suppose this set containing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 elements. Suppose this is A, then cardinality of A is 8. Okay, so there are other sets like union of sets, so intersection of sets. So how to find this cardinality of these sets? Okay, these are the sets that you need to find the cardinality. So in this video we'll learn how to find the cardinality of all these sets and how to implement them. Suppose you have these two sets A and B. This is the element of set A and this is the element of set B. So you have n of set A, number of elements of A, and n of set B, the number of elements of B. Then number of elements in A union B is equal to, we can write like this, n of A plus n of B. But there is a problem that because of this portion we compute this portion twice, one for A and another for B. So if to subtract this portion, so this is what you called n of A intersection B, n of A union B. So if I write it in a better way, so is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, so this is our first formula. So for example, if you have n of A equal to 7, n of B equal to 12, and n of A intersection B is equal to 2, then n of A union B is nothing but 7 plus 12 minus 2. This is 17. Okay, this is how you can calculate. For other sets, for n of A difference B, so this is your A, this is your B. Okay, what is n of A difference B? This is nothing but this portion. This is nothing but A minus all the elements which is common to B, that is A intersection B. The formula is clear. So n of A minus n of A intersection B. Okay, here also if you know n of A, suppose this is 10, and you know n of B is 1, then n of A difference B is 9. Okay, so the last one, that is complement. What is n of A complement? So this is A and this is the universal set. Now what is your A complement? A complement is this part. This portion is A complement. So which is nothing but n of U minus n of A. Okay, so this is how we calculate the number of elements. Probably in some video I will explain with a big problem, but for now this is what we call how to calculate the number of elements of a set. Okay, thank you.